Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 hacking tools for beginners which are mostly used by the hackers. So let's begin. Mastersprite is a software for penetration testing. Using the Mastersprite framework, you can develop and execute exploit code against a remote machine, and it also supports cross-platform operating systems. It is useful for knowing about security vulnerabilities, helps in penetration testing, helps in ITS signature development, and you can create security testing tools for yourself. Nmap is a security scanner, port scanner, as well as a network exploration tool. It supports cross-platform operating system. It can be used for network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and for monitoring host and service uptime. It can work for a single host as well as large networks. It provides binary packages for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS X. Nmap is best for scanning network. It is easy to use and fast as well. Wireshark is a packet analyzer and can perform deep inspection of many protocols. It supports cross-platform. It allows you to export the output to different file formats like XML, PostScript, CSV, and plain text. It provides the facility to apply coloring rules to packet lists so that the analysis will be easier and quicker. It can decompress the gzip files on the fly. It can perform live capture and offline analysis. It allows you to browse the captured network data for GUI or TTY module T-Shark utility. SUBSRIBE has a web vulnerability scanner and has advanced and essential manual tools. It provides many features for web application security. It has 3 editions: Community, Enterprise, and Professional. So the features of the SUBSRIBE is it allows you to schedule and repeat the scan. It scans for 100 generic vulnerabilities. It uses out-of-band techniques. It provides detailed custom advisory for the reported vulnerabilities. It also provides the CI integration, so it is best for security testing. John the Ripper is a tool for password cracking. It can be used on Windows, DOS, and OpenVMS. It is an open source tool. It is created for detecting weak Unix passwords. John the Ripper can be used to test various encrypted passwords. It performs dictionary attacks. It provides various password crackers in one package. It provides a customizable cracker. So John the Ripper, it is best because it is fast in password cracking. So yeah, that was it guys. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload some new content. Peace.